Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I'm unboxing HorrorPack. HorrorPack is a monthly subscription. I get the Blu-rays, 4 of them for about $24, $25. And I think it's a great deal because that is less than what you would buy them new. You get 1 limited edition typically per pack, sometimes 2. And I remember you didn't used to. The limited editions are kind of exciting because a lot of times they're indie films, and there's people that I know that are involved in some of these films, and so personally it's very exciting to me. They come in the box, and then they're bubble wrapped here, and then you get 4. Okay, this movie is The Devil Inside, based on true events. I think I have seen this already, but I can't remember. But I'm pretty sure I saw this already. Okay, in 1989, there's a 911 call. Someone confesses to some murders. She says that she was possessed by demons. Okay, I don't know. I feel like I've seen this though, and but I can't really remember. So I'll refresh my memory. I'll watch it, and then I'll see. Then there is Come True. Come True is 18-year-old Sarah submits to a sleep study. Ooh, I love sleep study kind of movies, like Dreamscape. She realizes she's a conduit to a frightening new discovery. Dreams, twists, nightmares. Science fiction. Okay, so there's some science fiction in this horror. It says it's an unforgettable cinematic dream, well worth the submersion. Come true. Interesting. Okay, so we've got our dreamscapey scary movie. Don't F in the Woods. I'm not going to swear on YouTube. This movie I have heard of, but I haven't seen yet. Is this a HorrorPack exclusive? It is. This is the HorrorPack limited edition Blu-ray. Yeah, I've heard a lot about this. Oh, is this The Bloodshed? I'm actually a contributor to The Bloodshed. And The Bloodshed were we producers. It says in association with The Bloodshed. That's really cool. Okay. I'm really proud to be part of that whole thing. So that's really exciting. So if you don't know, The Bloodshed is a website where you can go and see reviews, horror news, all kinds of stuff like that. And it's theblood-shed.com. I'll link it below for you, so you can see. I do contribute there on occasion. I contribute to The Bloodshed and to ravenousmonster.com. To Ravenous Monster. Ravenous Monster is the winner of, I believe, 3 Rondo Hatton Awards, but I'm not sure. But I am a contributing writer to both, although since I am so busy with my own films and I'm an antiques dealer, all kinds of stuff, I don't have time to contribute that much. So I contribute like 1 or 2 articles a year. So, but anyway, those are 2 great websites. I'll link them down below. So anyway, don't in the woods. I'm excited to see this. Very excited to see that. Okay, then Cloverfield. And Cloverfield I haven't seen yet. I believe it's about aliens, but I haven't seen this yet. It's about aliens or creatures, something like that. So I'm looking forward to seeing this. So again, we've got these 4: Cloverfield, Don't in the Woods, Come True, and Devil Inside. So I'm pretty happy about all 4 of these. And that's what's in here. Tell me what you think. Tell me, do you get these? Do you have the DVDs, and are they different? I've asked that a few times because I don't really know. If you get the DVDs, let me know. Are they different? I know I can research it, but I'm too lazy to research it. So let me know in the comments. I want to hear from you. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.